mean, it took so long for them to cater to black people, so I mean, Maybelline, I mean, you're doing well, but you know, you can do a little bit better. You can do a little bit better.
To be broken and bold. Tell you that my silver is gold.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Afia. I'm coming at you today with another makeup look. This is a chit chat get ready with me trying new products. Like, I've been wanting to try some products for a very long time and I wanted to do it on camera, so I got to try the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I got to try some new products, CYO. These are new to me, these are new to the UK. I got to try these products. I got to try some Fenty. Yes, I got to try some Fenty, and I got to try a new lip color. Yes, so I'm so excited that I got to try everything with you guys. If you guys want to see how these products looked on me, if you want to see how they glide on, how they look, how they feel, how they went on, if you want to see all that, just keep watching. Have you subscribed? Are you a subscriber? If you are not, girl, what you waiting for? Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Like, that makes me happy, that makes me want to put out more content. Comment, let's talk, girl, let's talk. How are you? What's your day like? What's going on? What are you happy about today? What are you mad about today? I want to know. The primer that I'm excited to try is CYO primer, and is actually, it was new in the drugstore, so I got it at Boots and it was £5. It's actually really cheap, so I was like, let me see what this is saying. Like, is it good for me or what? So it comes out like silicone-y. It has that silicone feel. I used to wear the Kiko primer, you know, the one that was famous, and then they discontinued it and everybody kind of got angry. So, you know, this was actually recommended me by a girl at the Apple store. So I went to get my charger and then we started talking about makeup, as you do, and she was like, you need to try this, girl, because it's actually really good. I was like, oh, okay then. It feels silicone-y. Reminds me of the primer by Smashbox, because I used to work for Smashbox. Their primers are silicone and they're very like well known, so that's what it feels like. It's giving me those vibes. So now the primer is on, my face feels like soft because of, obviously, and like smooth because of the silicone feel. We're gonna move on to the foundation. I'm trying a new foundation today as well. The foundation that I'm trying is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I got the darkest color that was there, which is this color. Oh, 70 Cocoa. That's what the color is. So that was the darkest when I went into my Superdrug, so we're just gonna try that on. So I've put like 3 pumps, and I'm gonna use my Real Techniques body blender. Let's see, I feel like the color seems a bit off, but let's see. I've heard so much about this, so I was like, okay, let's try it out. It's really covered like so well. So this is the side that I've done. This is the other side. It's a bit orangey, a bit red. But okay. I feel like it really covers, like, wow. It has really covered, and also it's because of this body blender. Literally does your face in seconds. Okay, I feel like my face is done, but I'm gonna try it with a brush as well, just a little bit. So I'm gonna do one pump. I done two before, 2 to 3, and I'm gonna just try it like in the area. So here and around this area I get some hyperpigmentation, so let's see. Don't forget your neck. Oh yes, I'm gonna kind of put it here so you can see like I've been doing recently. So can you see that's what it looks like on my skin? I'm just gonna leave that for that to dry, and then we'll see what it looks like once it is dried. So this is what the foundation looks like. I am actually enjoying it. It's cute. It's cute. So from what I'm seeing in my little mirror here, it looks good. It looks good. The next thing I'm gonna try out is the Maybelline Age Rewind. Let me just read it. Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer with Goji Berry. I got 11 tan, and I think this was the darkest there as well. I mean, it took so long for them to cater to black people, so I mean Maybelline, I mean, you're doing well, but you know, you can do a little bit better. You can do a little bit better. So I'm gonna twist this up. I know it takes forever, so let's just twist. It's coming out. Woo, yes. Oh, it feels good. It actually feels like refreshing as well. I've realized I do like kind of go ham with the concealer, so I'm gonna try not to, she says, while putting in loads. Okay, I'm stopping now. I'm stopping. Okay.
Made of plastic.
Yeah, that looks seamless. Yes, yes, yes. Ew. The next thing I am excited to try out is the Fenty Beauty Espresso Match Stick. I have been wanting to get this for the longest time because I can see people talking about it. I finally got it, so let's put it to the test. I think I need to use a brush for that. I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, yes, I like this. So what I have been doing is I have been carving underneath my contour. But before I do that, actually, let me just do my my fat areas. Girl, you don't want to see what's going on under this double chin. So I'm just gonna wipe that off. I also tried the CYO's brush, and I've been using this as a powder brush recently, and yes, I like it too. Shit. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I just dropped my... Oh my gosh, okay, I'll be fine. I will be fine. I feel like crying. I'm not even gonna lie. So right now I'm gonna use the CYO Fixing Spray. I was recommended this by this girl that she's called Yumani Elise on Instagram. She does beautiful makeup. I follow her, so should you. And she recommended this. She said it's a good dupe to the Urban Decay All Nighter. I tried the Urban Decay spray. I bought one. I did not like it, so I was like, okay, if you say so, girl, I'm gonna trust you. So I'm gonna try this on. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in rose gold. So we're gonna use that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put mascara on. I'm literally done with my look. You guys want to see what happened to my sleep? Can you see? This is what it looks like, and I'm gonna use this liner. This is what the liner eyeliner looks like. I just needed something. I was looking for my MAC Night Morph, but I couldn't find it. I don't even know where it could be. That's the funny thing. This is really bright. This is really bright. I need something darker. I feel like this is not setting off my look. So we're gonna go back, and I've got my Night Morph. Let's try that again, because I really want to try an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I've tried this color is nice though. I like this color. I've tried the lip gloss and I loved it. And you know, you guys, I'm always doing lip gloss. Like, I was like, let me try something different. Like, let me put this on. Okay, this is much better. This liquid lipstick is called Madison, for anyone that wants to know. Finished look, and yes, what do you all think about this look? I am so excited to try all the new products I have been wanting to try for ages. Can you see that it's kind of oxidized and it's gotten darker? So it does oxidize, and this color is not bad. It's still a bit on the grey side, but it's fine. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you like the look? Which of the products that I have you used before, and what do you think of them? Which ones are you thinking like, girl, I'm about to snatch that up, yeah, so I'm excited. I finally got to use the stuff, because I've been dying to use it, but I was waiting for you lot so we can, you know, we can do it together. So now that I've done that, I can do whatever I want. Where is this accent coming from? I feel like sometimes I feel like I should have been in New York or something, but anyways, this is it. This hair like just makes everything look amazing. Like, oh my gosh, you guys need to get this hair. Okay, thank you guys for watching.